Welcome back to How to Teach Addition. My name is Nevi Riyar. I'm a former high school math teacher, and I'm here to help you make math hands-on at home. Remember to go check out part 1 of How to Teach Addition before you watch this one. In this video, I'm going to cover the parts of an addition equation, and then I'm going to also cover how to introduce the concept of addition in a very conceptual way that's going to build and enhance your child's number sense. So let's get started.
The 3 and 4 are called add-ins, or the numbers that we're adding together to find our total, or the sum of 7. The plus sign is the mathematical operator that represents that we are combining quantities together. The equal sign lets us know that the quantities on both sides of it are equivalent.
Now let's talk about how to introduce addition to your child in a very visual, hands-on way that's going to enhance their number sense. I'm also going to mention a couple of tools that you'll find helpful. When introducing addition in a conceptual way, you want to take out some counters. I've got 3 yellow and 4 red counters. You want them to first count these individually. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 yellow counters. Then you want to have them count these individually. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 red counters. Then you want to talk about the plus sign. So you can introduce it here on an index card. And you want to talk about what this looks like. This is 2 lines coming together, and what that represents are these 2 smaller quantities coming together. So this plus sign tells us to count these all together. If your child needs help with that part, you can always use a number line to help. So here they're counting 1, 2, 3. Now they need to go to the next number, so 4, 5, 6, 7. We have a total of 7 counters. So introducing the plus sign in this hands-on way, have them bring their fingers together so they know they're counting these together. Now the next thing you want to talk about is the equal sign. Oftentimes, the equal sign is seen as a symbol to just find the answer. But what this really represents, and if you look at the actual symbol, it's 2 lines that are the same length. What the equal sign tells us is if we combine these 2 quantities, it is the same as the sum or the total. So here you can count out your 7 counters. We have these combined to make 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In order to show your child that they are equivalent, what you can do is line up these 3 right next to these 4. You want to look at the length. If you bring over the sum of 7, you're going to notice the length is exactly the same. It actually looks like the equal sign. That's what it's telling us. That when you combine the 2 smaller quantities, that length is the same as the sum or the total quantity. The way you want your child to read this in order to build that conceptual understanding is 3 plus 4 is the same as 7. Usually when people read this, it's 3 plus 4 is 7. But if you want to build that conceptual piece of understanding, 3 plus 4 is the same as 7. And that will remind them that when you look at the length of 3 and 4, and you look at the length of 7, those lengths are the same. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're looking for simple ways to help make math hands-on at home to build your child's number sense so they have a successful math experience, make sure to check the link in the description box. I've linked all of the products in my digital shop. Make sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you know when the next video is up. Thanks for watching.